We begin with the latest exchange of strikes between India and Pakistan. Pakistan said that it launched an operation early this Saturday targeting military bases in what it says was a retaliatory attack after India targeted its air bases. India accused Pakistan of a blatant escalation and now says that it has targeted Pakistani military bases. That latest confrontation between the nuclear-armed neighbors began Wednesday when India launched missile strikes in retaliation for a militant attack on tourists in the disputed Kashmir region. Pakistan now saying that it will consider de-escalation if India stops attacks. Let's hear from a spokesperson for the Pakistani army addressing strikes coming from India.
Majority of missiles have been intercepted by the alert air defense system of the Pakistan Armed Forces. The few that have been able to sneak in have not been able to cause any damage to the flying assets of Pakistan Air Force. I want to assure the people of Pakistan that your armed forces are vigilant and thwarting.
Earlier, I spoke to our correspondent Navodita Kumari, who's in Jammu City in Jammu Kashmir, the Indian-administered part of the disputed region. Here's what she had to say on the situation there.
In the latest escalation between the two nuclear-powered nations, India and Pakistan, as we just heard, Pakistan has accused India of attacking 3 of its air bases. From the Indian side, we haven't heard any official statement regarding these accusations, although shortly we are expecting a press conference by the Indian army, and we are awaiting their response regarding these Pakistani accusations. But what is sure that we are hearing from Srinagar, that's the capital city of the Indian-administered Jammu and Kashmir. People have told us that they have heard several blasts throughout the night of Friday into early hours of Saturday. They also saw fires arising from different parts of the city, and also the authorities have evacuated people living near the airport. And where we are here in the city of Jammu, people also have seen several red flashes on Friday night, what appear to be drones and missiles directed towards the Jammu airport. Similar drone attack has also been reported from the neighboring state of Punjab in Amritsar. So the past couple of nights have been quite unsettling and scary for the people of not only Jammu and Kashmir, but also neighboring states of Jammu and Kashmir.